Students, today we have to study about the image formation by spherical lenses. So first of all, we have to look how the image is formed by the convex lens. And before you can see the image formations by the lenses, I would like to say that in this portion, this is just a reverse aspect of the mirror. Whatever you have seen, the image formation in the mirrors, either it in convex or concave, whenever the image formation is concave mirror is as same as that of convex lens, and the vice versa, that is just reverse. The concave mirror and convex lens, the image formation is same, and convex mirror and concave lens is the formation of image are same. So just you can see by the box now here. You have made the box here. This is first we have to write, you know, that object location. This is image location in second, and then image nature, and then the last one image size. Okay. The first one, where the location of object is at infinity, where the image is formed at f2. Now in this portion you can see that f2, this means this is the second principal focus. You should know that in mirror there are only one principal focus, but in the case of the lenses there are two principal focuses, f1 and f2. So when object is at infinity, the image will be formed at second principal focus. Okay, so at f2. Now what is the nature of the image? That will be real and inverted, and the size will be highly diminished. Okay, this is. Now second one, when the object is at beyond 2f1. What is this 2f1 is just as same as the center of curvature was in mirror form. Okay, as same as. So 2f1 means just double of the first principal focus in the lens. That is just as same as 2f1, double of the first principal focus, 2f1. Okay, and when it is beyond 2f1, where is the image is forming? It is forming between 2f2, means double of second principal focus and second principal focus. This means you can say it as center of curvature and second principal focus. Center of curvature in the term of the mirror, actually this is as same as center of curvature in the mirrors. Okay, so where it is forming between 2f2, this is second principal focus, and second focus. Okay, 2f2, double of second principal focus and second principal focus. Okay, and again the nature of the image will be real inverted, the size will be diminished. Now third one, at 2f1, just at 2f1, this means as same as at C in the mirror. Okay, then where is the image is forming? At 2f2, this means second principal focus. When the object it has first principal focus, then first double of the first principal focus, actually you can say, not at principal focus, it will be formed at double of the second principal focus. Again it will be forming real inverted, the nature, and the size will be same size. The image will be the same size as the object. Fourth one, when the object is located between 2f1 and f1. Okay, this is the principal focus and this is double of the principal focus, that is C actually in the term of mirror. It will the image will be formed beyond 2f2. Okay, this means second center of curvature in the term of the mirror actually. Again real inverted will be the nature of the image, and in this case enlarged image size will be formed. Okay, only enlarged. The fifth case, when the object is at f1, the first principal focus, where the image is formed at infinity, it will be again real inverted, and again it is forming enlarged as the size. Now the last case, look here, when the object is between first principal focus and, now this O is indicating the optical center, as same as the pole of the mirror. You know that in this case we can't use the pole in the term of lens, we have to use the optical center. That is the center of the lens, it's called as the optical center, that is denoted by O. So when the object is between first principal focus and O, means optical center, the location of the image on the same side as object. This means at which side the object is located, the image is also forming at that very side. Okay, so image will be formed there, and in this case the nature of the image will be virtual and erect. Okay, when it is forming at the same side as the object, the nature will be virtual and erect, and the size will be highly enlarged, very large formation of image will be there. Okay, so these are the cases of the formation of the image by the convex lens. Okay, so now by concave lens we have to see here the image location here, when it is at infinity, where the image is forming at second principal focus, that is at f2. You have to write the nature of the image virtual and erect, and the size of the image will be highly diminished, or you can write here also point size. Highly diminished means you have to write point size. Okay, the second, only two cases are there. Second is there beyond infinity and O. O again optical center, then where the image is forming between first principal focus, that is f1, and optical center, that is O. Okay, and what will be the nature of the image? Again it is virtual and erect. You can see that in this lens, in both the cases virtual and erect image will be formed in concave lens, but this is not in the case of convex lens. Only in concave lens the virtual and erect image will form at both the cases, and what is the size? That is diminished size will be formed. So these are the only two cases you have to take in concave lens formation, and in the convex lens there are 6 cases are there. So see both of these boxes carefully and concentrately first, and try to understand what are the locations of object, what are the locations of image, and what are the natures and the size of the images. So see it very minutely, all of you, for 5 to 10 minutes first, then you have to note it down in your rough copy, then you have to post all the things. Okay.